Oh, emva kwawo amaphoyisa masesifike lapha lejele ngifake kulo. Base bethi uNtanzi waxoxela ukuthi babulala Senzomiya.
Okay. After I was placed in the prison where they took me, they then asked me about if Ntanzi did tell me that they've killed Senzomiya.
This questioning regarding or in relation to Mr. Ntanzi, when did it happen? Did it happen on the same day you were held in custody in Yeoville, or did it happen at some other time?
Manje ke lo mbuzo wona lo ke malana ke noNtanzi ke ubuzwe ngalenkathi useYeoville noma ke kwenye indawo.
Angiseyoveni Nkosi enkantolo kwaba kushika khona Nkosi kodwa encabe ngisacela ukuthi ngalesikhathi
I was at Yeoville, my lord, and my lord, there's something that I would like to add that I left behind.
You can do so.
Nkosi enkantolo ngesikhathi ngade ngibhala ngenqithupha iphepha leli ngalifaka ephakethini engqondweni yami ngangitshena ukuthi iphepha le list yempahla zami.
Yes. My lord, when I was giving information also when my fingerprint were taken, that document I put the same inside my pocket. In my mind, I thought maybe it's the list of my items, my clothes.
That is the document you received upon your incarceration at the Yeoville SAPS on the day you arrived.
Ukhuluma ngale phepha lelo wathola lapha eYeoville police station ngalosuku lelo wafika ngalo.
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I see it's the stroke of 1 p.m.
Yeah.
May we then take the
He
long
says he
agenda?
wants to explain something.
So sorry, my lord.
Nkosi enkantolo ufuna ukuthi understand la uma sengingaphakathi abafuthi ngabaficayo bathi awufowethu uzosijoyina nami ngathula bathi awuthi sibone iphepha abebheka iphepha anje ngibonanga mithi ibhalwe ibhalwe murder for Senzomiya.
My lord, when I was inside, my brothers that I found inside said to me, "Oh, you are here to join us. Let us see a document." Then when I removed that document, because I did not check the document before, when I took out the document to show it was written murder of Senzomiya.
And when you say your brothers that you found inside at Yeoville, are you referring to prison officers, SAPS members or other inmates in the cells?
Manje ke motha abafowenu abathifica phakathi ukhuluma ngamaphoyisa noma ke abantu abasebenza lapha ejele noma ke abantu ababoshiwe
Abantu ababoshiwe Nkosi.
inmates.
Okay, we will take it from there after the long adjournment, Mr. Zondo. My lord, may we then take the long adjournment?
Yeah, let's take it short. So phinde siqhubeka ngithi ngo-2.
Before we adjourned, you testified about a document that you were handed up at Yeoville police station, and that when you went to the cells, some inmates read it and told you that the charges you were facing were that of murder. Is that correct?
Mnumzane Zondo, ngaphambi ukuthi sihambe siya lunchini ngithi uyakhumbula uye wathola ufakazi la enkantolo ke malana nephepha lelo walithola ke lapha eYeoville. Waphinde wasithi futhi ngalenkathi ufika lapha eYeoville police station abanye ke laba ngaphakathi ke baye bakufundela iphepha lelo bathi ke iphepha leli libhala ukuthi ke icala lokubulala. Usakhumbula usho lokho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula.
Yes, I do recall that.
Now, who handed you that document? Was it the police officers that transported you to Yeoville, that is Mabena Mokhane, and the other police officers, or was it the police officers at Yeoville police station?
Manje ke ubani Mnumzane Zondo wakunikeza ke lamaphepha okhuluma ngawo ke yini amaphoyisa lawa ke akuthatha ngise Yeoville police station sikhuluma ngayo Mabena nabo Mokhane noma ke wanikezwa ke lamaphoyisa lapha eYeoville police station?
Analo iphoyisa legqoka uniform police station.
The document was given to me by the police officer on uniform at Yeoville police station.
Did that police officer explain to you what that document was?
Manje ke le phoyisa leli ke elakunikeza leli phepha lilachazela ukuthi ke le phepha leli lingani?
Cha ngichazela.
No explanation was given.
Did that document have a case number on it?
Manje ke lona le phepha okhuluma nalo belinayo case number?
Yes, benayo case number.
Yes, it had a case number.
And did you sign that document?
Manje ke lo phepha lona liyokhuluma ngalo uye walisign?
Ngiyasayina Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, I did.
And just for clarification, it is your testimony that when you signed that document, you were of the belief that you were signing for your property as somebody that is now being arrested and your property was taken from you. Is that correct?
Uthi ke ngale nkathi ke usayinda lamaphepha wena ngokuya ngawe noma ke ngocabanga noma ngokwazi kwakho nobucabanga ukuthi usayinela izinto zakho lezi ke njengomuntu oboshiwe sithathiwe.
Nkosi enkantolo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct, my lord.
Now, on the day you were detained and arrested in Newville SAPS, did you have any other contact with the police officers that arrested you?
Manje ke ngale nkathi lapha eUville emaphoyiseni ke uye waqhumana futhi noma ke wakhuluma ke nalamaphoyisa lawa akubopha la kuthatha.
Ngesikhathi ngaphakathi bafikile ngo-12 ebusuku bazongikhipha sawungena kwenye room.
Okay. Yes, when I was at Uval at 12 midnight, those police officials came, took me to another room.
Elaborate step by step what happened from the time you are removed from the holding cells until you are taken to that particular room.
Sicela usitshele ke okwenzekile konke ke ngale ngathi ke ususwa kulela room okulo uyisa kulinye room kwenzakaleni.
Nkosi enkantolo okwenzakalayo mangikhishwa ngabe ngihamba ngeyimoto ngiyendawo nendawo ngoba kwakusebusuku kodwa mangithi ngiyibheka mihle engqondo ungathi kwakuseBosberg.
Maqam. My lord, when I was taken from the cells, taken to another place, which is unknown to me. However, if I have to use my imagination, it looked like a place in Boksburg.
Who removed you from the cells?
Ngoba nokususa emaseleni.
Ngakhishwa amaphoyisa mangifika ngaphandle khona umkhari khona hamba nabo.
It was the police officers who removed me from the cells. However, when I got inside, there it was Mohale and others.
Was Mohane driving the same vehicle that was used in your arrest earlier at Marikana Vanderkop?
Manje ke uMohane ke ubesahamba ngayo le moto le bekayisebenzisa ngaphambilini ngale nkathi ke bekuthatha lapha eMarikana.
Angisekho sure ngoba kwakusebusuku bezongithatha.
My lord,
nami vele ngasengiphazamisekile.
I am not sure since it was at night when they came to fetch me and I was confused by then.
And what transpired at the place that you were taken at that you say perhaps it may be Boksburg?
Manje ke kwasekwenzakalani ke masengifika kule ndawo lothu ke mayibheka ngamehlo engqondo ke ngathi Boksburg.
Masifika lapha nasame endaweni engathi isa duzane engathi neshed mara ngathi sayame endaweni yathi sabhilidi. So masifika lapha na bayi5 ibona.
Maqam. When we got to that place, the place looked like it has a shade, and it was just attached to a building or something like that, and 5 of them.
And elaborate, when you say 5 of them, who are you referring to?
Altogether, by 5 figure, come on, Goban.
Gininza, umama mfundisi, unyende, laba u2 angisakhumbuli kahle.
Okay. It was Gininda, Mamfundisi, Nyende, and the other 2 I don't recall well who they were.
Now, the names that you specifically mentioned, Gininda, Mamfundisi, and Yende, did they specifically introduce themselves to you using those names?
Manje ke lamagama mathathu ke abantu babizile ubiza uGininda wabiza uMamfundisi wabiza uNyende ke uthi ke umbuzo ke labantu abathathu baye bazichaza bakunika lamagama ukuthi yibona labo bantu.
Umamfundisi wayebiza uGininza. Uthi mamfundisi angilaleli masixoxa la ngoba sathi kuma sixoxa bengakhulumi nami bexoxa bebodwa.
Okay, Maqam.
Ibizana bodwa.
Okay, Gininda called Mamfundisi. There was a point whereby we had stopped and they were just talking amongst each other, and Gininda called Mamfundisi.
And then the name Gininda, where did you get it from?
Manje leli lika Gininda wena lona uthole
babebizana bodwa khona la.
they were calling each other where we were.
And then the other two, is it inclusive of the driver, Mohani, who picked you up from the cells in Yeovil?
Manje laba babili abanye lo khuluma ngabo ke nomuhano umunye wabo noma
Umkhare ngaphandle kwamkhare. Khare ungomunye wabo mari bayithula umkhare ngangimazi where drive.
Mohane was the driver and I knew him, but these other two are the ones that I'm not sure of.
The other two, were they male or female police officers?
Manje laba abanye ababili ke bekwa maphoyisa ke sifazana noma isilisa.
Besilisa.
They were male officers.
Describe to the Honorable Court what then transpired at that area where you were taken.
Manje ke chazela ke inkantolo ukuthi ke kuye kwenzakalani ke manifika kule ndawo le uthi ke wathathwa wayiswa kuyona.
Kuleyo ndawo lena igama lokuqala alikhuluma uGeninza kimi. Wathi shoes if ungakhulumi iqiniso ngoba linjalo zakufrasha ne-toilet. Understand ukuthi yes.
The first words that Gininda uttered to me was, "Shoes, if you are not going to tell the whole truth, I'm going to flush you in the toilet."